Alright, welcome back to a little early morning bonsai of a bald cypress forest I've been working on since these things were tiny little seedlings. These were, tiny. Or as big as some of these cuttings I stuck in here when I started. As you can see, they're kind of overgrown. I don't want this many branches on them. I'm going to go in here, start doing a little branch selection, maybe trim out the top, because I want some of these lower branches to start getting a little thicker. Let's see what we can do. I think this is the front. Some of these cuttings are going to have to go. Yeah, I wonder if they're rooted. It'd be interesting to know if these cuttings have rooted. Big branch growing right over the front we don't need. I like this branch. This one. So these are the spots I'm thinking. Cut it here at this little bad boy. Let that be the new leader. In here somewhere, one of these would have to be the new leader. Maybe this one. And then this one, probably new leader here or here. Really short. One of these strong ones. Decisions. But as it is, I think this thing is too tall to get the taper I want. I like it. But I think for the future awesomeness of it, in 10 years, I need to make a serious chop. Because if I stand behind it, you can see how big it is. Alright. Well, I'm hoping that my concave branch cutters here can do this job well. Each one will maybe a better angle for this. Which one do I want? I know this one is going to look pretty good with this cut, so I'm going to start here. That's that one. Oh boy, that's a whole tree. And I am going to try and plant it. Clean this up a little bit. And hope that that branch doesn't die. I'll seal that. And the other ones all at one time. Man, That's a drastic change. Now the other side one. Where to cut that one? One of these I want to be the leader. That's kind of in the back. That would be an ideal one, but it's too high. I'm gonna go with this one. That whole tree gone. That's awesome. There you go, bud. Hack it up. I really might have cut that one a little too close. Huh, something will come out even if it does. It's a bald cypress. Now this one. Thinking this will be my new leader. Or I just cut it and hope for a new leader. Boy, that's a wild move. I hope those grow. What a drastic maneuver. See how it goes. Put some putty on these wounds. They're pretty big wounds.